Hi, I'm Carl Dene. I'm the owner of the Brannan Cottage Inn and Sam's General Store here in Napa Valley, California. The Brannan Cottage Inn is unique because it is a 160-year-old property that was built by Sam Brannan, who was the starter of the gold rush in California. He came and discovered this land had hot springs and built the Hot Springs Resort. And the Brannan Cottage Inn is the last standing of the cottages in the place that he built it 160 years ago. When I purchased the hotel back in 2019, it came with another system that was really old and cumbersome and really didn't do what I wanted it to do for the future and the future growth of what my plans are. Being shut down, everything was turned off for quite some time out here. When it turned back on, we got to levels that we've never seen. The property never have seen 90% occupancy before. And to be honest with you, how quick and easy Cloudbeds is made that an easy transition to actually do business as quickly as we needed to. I don't think the other system would have handled it, and we would have had a lot of troubles with that. I would say the benefits that Cloudbeds has provided for our guests is really the clean and easy to use interface for the booking engine. If you're looking at any other tool out there, I don't think anything's going to give you the versatility and ease of use. I did look at a lot of them, and to be honest with you, Cloudbeds was the far winner for me. One of the benefits to the channel manager is just having, again, everything in one place. Being able to set our rates in one place and having it flow through to all the different channels has made our life a lot easier than going out there and dealing with each individual OTA or channel that's out there on its own. User-friendly interface and the fact that we can, from anywhere, access the data very quickly, get people to a reservation as quickly as possible, even from your iPhone itself. My favorite thing about using Cloudbeds is any new staff that comes on board can easily pick it up. I'm not sitting there training new staff every single time. They could watch a couple of the videos from Cloudbeds University and very easily pick it up. I've had nothing but glowing reviews from our staff who have come from a lot of other properties who feel that it's one of the best systems that they've worked with and easy to use.